tutorials. How to take an online tutorial with a software. To do a typical online tutorial, one teacher needs content preparation and modern educational technology in the form of video, audio, or mixed with both to connect the content with the students. Basically, recording lectures at home and transferring the skills through online mode could be very challenging. To overcome the transferring of skills, I will clarify and show you the viable method of utilizing software to record your stuff as recordings. This presentation I am going to explain you about how to use the Screencast-O-Matic software. This is a presentation recording tool for PC. It is easy and free software in which you can capture any area of your screen with the option to add narration from your microphone and video from your webcam. Sharing your ideas will now be easier with this software. Screencast-O-Matic allows user to record all of the actions on their computer as well as audio commentary and save the recordings for sharing or future playback. It can help such individuals easily record their videos. Compared to other free screen recorders, there are some great benefits of using this software. Here we can go with this usage of software in two ways. That is, one, it is required a browser and the internet connection. Another method is very simple to use once the software is installed and can be run. Here the software which is installing will be a trial version for 30 days. Now I am going to show you how to use the Screencast-O-Matic software with on internet connection with browser. Now I have typed in the Google version in Google browser Screencast-O-Matic. It is showing a web page of this one. As you are seeing the web page of Screencast-O-Matic, here login option and sign up with free option is being given. Here you can go with the recording version of logging within the Screencast-O-Matic, or directly you can sign up for the first time, or you can directly go with the launching of free recorder through internet connection. Now when I am clicking this launch free recorder, it will show a dialog box in which a page will be coming in the white and black dotted lines of recording option. This screen is about whichever the screen you want to show for recording. It can be adjusted in whatever the form you want to, in according to the cursor it is being showing like this. Here if you want to adjust the size to full screen or active window or 480p or 720p, or according to your size wish, you can able to adjust this. The maximum time limit, as I said, it is 15 minutes only. If you want to go with the higher version, it can be higher version of, that is the timing which you want to show for more than 15 minutes means you have to go with the paid versions of this software. Now again in this particular black screen you can see three options which you want to show in the recording. One is screen. You want to show only the screen without any uh, webcam in your screen means you can click this option. If you want to go with the webcam option only means you can click this version, or if you want to go with both, for example if I click this one, no, in the right corner it will show this webcam option of your picture, whatever the way you want to show. Now I'm not showing my picture here in the right corner, or if it can be in the center of this recording screen means, then accordingly you can adjust with the screen options. Here if you want to show the webcam of your picture means your laptop or PC should have the webcam software which you are going to use. Next, the narration will be in the form of mic. Now, whenever I am attaching this mic to my laptop, it is automatically default microphone option is being shown. Accordingly, you also can able to fix your mic, whatever the mic option you have. Then here, in any time when you are recording your video, a computer audio will be muted automatically in the recording option. Then preferences option will be shown in different forms. If you want to change these options, you can change, but now I'm not changing anything. I'm going default of whatever been given in the recorder preferences. Now, here the whatever the option when I am being shown, now if you check with this red box, yeah, actually it will be shown in below. Accordingly, you can click with that. When I click this record option, it will start recording. This cancel button is you don't want to record with the, or you want to close the box, means automatically cancel button will be helping you to close the recording. Here this black box recording option is shown if you click this setting options. For example, if again I click, it will show. That is, to adjust with any of the size or screen options, means this setting button can be clicked. Now I start the recording option. If I start recording, numbers will be coming and we can start the recording. A timer will be shown here, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, like that, and automatically it will be recording whatever the portion of this white and red dotted lines is being given. Now if you want to pass, that is in between any disturbances comes, means you want to pass the recording, means you can click this one. It will automatically stop your recording. Here again you want to check with the playing of whatever you are being recorded. Then you can check with the play option of going with whatever you have been recorded. Then you want to continue with that, means again you can go with the recording red button by clicking. Now if you complete your recording, or if automatically after 15 minutes it completes, means you can directly go with the done option. Otherwise, if you don't want to continue with the recording, or you want to delete with everything whatever been started, means you can delete that option. Now here a big advantage of Screencast-O-Matic is you can pause the videos in between whatever the time you want to pass. That is, no, you want to show some other page, or you want to show some other web link, or you want to show some other document, or whatever it be. You can pause your video and you can open the whatever you want to record, and then you again start with the recording. Once if you start, means again it will give a numbering and then you can start recording. That is, the timer will be giving you an option of in what way this that is, no, we are getting ready to the recording option by giving the uh, timings. That is, that 3 to 1 will be uh, startup which is going to be given by the Screencast-O-Matic recorder. Now I am going to finish this by clicking done option. Now once it is given done, it will show you in two ways. That is, so you want to show, save or upload the video, or you want to edit the video. Here now we are using the free trial, that is free internet connection Screencast-O-Matic. We cannot able to edit the video. If you go with the paid versions, you can go with the editing option. Now I am saving the video whichever been recorded. Now here, once if you give that recording option, it will again go to some other page which shows as save as video file, or you want to upload with the Screencast-O-Matic account. in the form of Screencast-O-Matic, or you want to upload a video in YouTube. Whatever the option you want to go, you can click with that. Or if you want to go with edit option, again it is for paid versions. If you want to redo, you can delete the full recording, whichever while recording we have the delete option, the same will be again it is shown after completing the video also. If you want to redo, again it will start from the new. If you want to cancel the recording, again you can go with the cancel option by clicking the cancel button. Now I am saving it as save as video file. Now after giving save as file, it will show again one box. It shows type of video which you want to save as MP4. File name, it is automatically saved as MP4 file. Then file name is recording 2. That is here if you want to change the name of the file name, you can change in according to it. Now I am not changing anything. Then folder, which is the folder you want to save that particular video file of MP4, you can change. That is here I have default, I have given desktop. This is going to save in the desktop folder. Now cursor can be changed according to your choice of no cursor or just cursor or highlighted cursor. This also can be according to your requirement. Then after doing with all these options, you can go with the publish. Once you if you give the publish button, click the publish button, it will automatically record your video in the form of MP4 file. Now it is going to recording 42, 47. That is what the recording is going to be uh, done with this Screencast-O-Matic. Now it is completed 100%. Now it is showing play video, browse folder where you have copied, or if you want to copy the path of that video, you can do. Now I am playing that video. That is where whichever I have shown in the picture of recording, it is showing. That is the dotted lines, whatever I have screen selected, it is showing within that. I am closing that. After doing all these things, you can go with the done option. Automatically the screen will be closed. This is what the advantage we are having as a faculty to go with the recording of your classes through this software. As a teacher, I am most comfortable with this software. Only thing is, if it is a free version, you are having only 15 minutes. If you go with the paid versions, you can go with more time limit. That is, lengthy recordings can be done with this screen recorder. Thank you for watching my video. Uh, with me, with my channel, I am going to upload more for faculty. Home, stay safe.